Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo for your new YouTube channel using AI. It's a very easy and simple process if you don't have any graphic designing knowledge, but you can make a logo using AI tool. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. So first of all, open a browser and go to gemini.com.google/app. After that, you need a prompt to generate a logo. First of all, just write here a prompt or write a command like I'm writing for. Then click to create image and just click to submit. Within a few moments, you can see our logo is ready. Now it's time to download this one. Just click here to download. So I think you can make a logo using this method without having any Photoshop knowledge or graphic designing knowledge. So I think this video will help you, a new content creator, to generate a logo using Gemini. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.